Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Firstly, you need to locate Messages app and click on it. Then tap on one of your chats or create a new one. Following that, click on this plus at the bottom left corner and select Files section. Now to add an audio file, select Audio at the top and look for it thanks to this filter. You can also click on one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and access any of those sources. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully attached. If you prefer to add a video, click on Gallery, then tap on your video over here right away if it was recent, or select Gallery section and look for it over here. Then tap on it and pick the best option for you. Google Photos link or video. Finally, select Just Once or Always and tap on Add at the top right corner. If you want to, you can also tap on Gallery, then select Folders and look for your video the same way as an audio file. Lastly, hold it and click on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!